नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम यू ऑल टू द एबीजी वाइट स्टूडियो। और आज हम फिर से एक अमेजिंग गेस्ट के साथ हैं। और आज जो हमारे साथ हैं वो एक प्योर एंटरप्रेन्योर, प्रोडक्ट बिजनेस में। आप लोग मुझे बोल रहे थे सभी सर्विसेज बिजनेस से आ रहे हैं, सो वी हैव समवन फ्रॉम प्रोडक्ट बिजनेस एंड लेट्स लर्न फ्रॉम हर कैसी लाइफ है उनकी, कैसे बिजनेस बढ़ाया उन्होंने और कैसे जो आज तक अचीव किया है। चलिए साथ में मिलकर सीखते हैं। हाय तपस्या, वेलकम टू ईबीजी वाइट।
हेलो जी। थैंक यू जी।
आप थोड़ा अपने बारे में बताइए, प्लीज़ इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ, क्योंकि अगर मैं बोलूँगी तो उतना इम्पैक्टफुल नहीं रहेगा। आप अपने बारे में बताइए हमारे व्यूअर्स को।
Hello friends, I am Tapasya Gupta. I run a brand by the name of Netra Designs. If I talk about myself, I am a postgraduate in IT field. Started my career in the time 1995 when IT was just picking up, and have worked in that field for 7 years. 2002, I got married, joined my husband into his finance field. Totally left the IT field, come into finance.
वाओ, फ्रॉम
And
आईटी,
then in 2015, Hanji, sorry.
फ्रॉम आईटी टू फाइनेंस टू डिज़ाइंस, अमेजिंग।
Yes,
सो यू, वो बोलते हैं ना घाट घाट का पानी पिए, सो यू हैव लॉट ऑफ
Ghat
एक्सपीरियंस।
Ghat Ka Pani Piya Hai. 2015 was when I started my work. And when I started my work, it was basically because I was sick and tired of working. So I wanted to do something what I used to enjoy. And playing with colors in my jewelry was always my forte since childhood. But belonging to a Pakka Marwadi family, you can wear gold, silver. Silver so is a complete no-no, or diamonds. Gold or diamonds.
डायमंड में भी शायद मारवाड़ीज में बोलते हैं कि सोना ज़्यादा होना चाहिए ताकि रीसेल वैल्यू उसकी हाई हो।
Ha, right. So Marwadis focus only on gold and diamond, nothing else. Apart from that, if you want something, you're not a Pakka Marwadi.
हाँ, सो आई नो, सी, इट इज़ इंस्पिरेशन फॉर लॉट ऑफ पीपल जो जॉब में है, स्पेशली मी व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉर्पोरेट। सोचते थे कि कुछ तो ऐसा
Hmm.
करना है जिसमें मज़ा आए, कुछ तो वेग है
हाँ,
लाइफ में, और करते
right.
नहीं है। 90% पीपल जस्ट टॉक इट ऑन कॉफी टेबल और घर जाते जाते उसको भूल जाते हैं। एंड
भूल
देन दे
जाते हैं.
कम अप फ्रेश इन द मॉर्निंग ऑफिस में विदाउट इवन वांटिंग टू डू दैट, और फिर से वही कॉफी टेबल डिस्कशंस होती हैं। दिस इज व्हाट आई
हाँ,
हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड। बट
true, very true.
अमेजिंग अमेजिंग अमेजिंग। सो you said कि you had taste in jewelry. Is there any story behind it? Why only designs? Why jewelry?
Actually, I used to always love playing with colors in my jewelry. I was
Okay.
never only the gold and silver kinds, but I was never able to get that out because of the family background. So,
Oh,
and now
nice.
it's the time for artificial jewelry. So people are like, they try each and every color, every possible color. Even black they use in jewelry. So I
I,
started doing that.
uh,
And I have named my brand as Netra Designs because my daughter's name is Netra
okay, nice.
and she has beautiful eyes. For jewelry, you need beautiful eyes. You need an eyesight to judge that color, judge the quality.
I know you can look at me. I am not much into jewelry because I don't understand how to wear it, how to choose it. So, for me and for the
Now, after
viewers,
kno- now after knowing me, I think you should start wearing it.
I know, I guess I am going to take few tips after this podcast. What kind
Definitely,
of jewelry should I
definitely.
wear? So, anyways, you can share for the viewers also how to select right jewelry, how to choose that piece which suits our personality, our business, or our profession.
See, it depends. Like, I'll talk about you. You are a corporate
Okay.
person. You cannot wear too much heavy and too much of gold and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So what you need to wear is something what is delicate but intricate. You can wear simple strings, you can wear simple pendant sets, stuff like that.
Right.
It can either be in a AD or it can be only a beaded chain or anything like that, but which is simple,
Which is simple and yet looks attractive.
very classy.
Hmm. Okay, so that's a wonderful tip. I have benefited from the podcast. I think viewers also will definitely. And let's move ahead to something really personal. This is about
Yes,
your
sure.
business. What about your life? How it has been? What kind of person are you? What about your family?
I have one daughter, and three
Okay.
of us stay together, my husband, my daughter, and myself. And I am a very homely person, but I love partying.
Wow. You must come to our place then. I am a party lover
Definitely.
too. So, see, so from party, from homely person to going out for business, wasn't it difficult? Because many women which come across my consultation, I face one biggest challenge. मैं अपने बच्चे को छोड़कर बाहर कैसे जाऊं? मैं बाहर कैसे निकलूं? टाइम कैसे निकालूं? इन लॉज साथ में हैं, घर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ हैं. हाउ टू मैनेज दैट?
Actually, I have been working since 1995. And when there was a talk going on for myself and my husband, my first condition was that I'm not going to leave working. So that was never a problem for me. My in laws or my husband were accepted before we got married that she is going to work. What she is going to work is secondary, but she is going to work.
So basically, it is
And
about
in that,
setting right expectations, what you are saying.
right, right. I did not want anything else from my husband. I just needed two things. And I think I got both of them because
I
my
mean,
conditions for marriage were those.
I feel we as a women have to take certain decisions. We have to set certain boundaries. This is what I
Right,
want. I'm not going to let anyone interfere with this.
right, right.
Right. So this is a very big thing. Many women are not able to do it. But that's nice. So was it
Thank you.
really easy or difficult? I mean, leaving an IT job or a finance career, moving into business, because the first challenge we face is we are leaving or abandoning the salary which we are getting every month in account, and we are starting from zero.
Actually, for me, the journey has been a little different because I
Okay.
was a salaried person only before I got married.
Hmm, 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 hmm.
So when I got married and I came to Delhi and I joined my husband as a in his business, that salary was not the criteria because he just said one thing: when I need people in my work and you will go out and work, it will not benefit too much. Might as well put in all your efforts in your own work. So that was the time I started into business, into a set business of my husband.
Okay.
So it
So
didn't really create a problem. But yes, when I left my husband's business and came into this, that was passion peak, I can say.
okay, so you mean to
Uh,
say when we are passionate about something, we do not actually
yeah,
look at money.
yeah,
So I can inference from this that we should start a business. The people who are looking forward to start a business, we should start something which we are passionate about, not that
exactly.
which is promising in terms of money.
Right. I 100% agree to that. Even if I talk to people, I just tell them, listen to your heart and do what you want to, not what the world is telling you that you can do this.
When we start a business or when we do something great, people oppose. They tell us that you are
100%.
not worth. They tell us that you cannot do it.
And for me, when I started my artificial jewelry business, before I got into real gold, both my husband and my mother were against me
Oh,
because my mother was like, you are not going to wear artificial jewelry yourself. How will you promote it? My husband was like, such small things. Why you want to get into it? But I was hell-bent, no, whatever happens, I will do it. ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा? थोड़ा सा पैसा लॉस होगा, उससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं होगा.
आई वुड से पैसा लोन होने से ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस गेन होता है. इवन इफ वी
That
गोइंग टू
was the thing
लॉस.
what I was telling them when I started with them against me. But then now when it is running, I think both of them are with me.
या पीपल डू कम विद अस जब वो देखते हैं ना कि yes whatever she is doing good, so people do
हाँ.
come and support us. I can remember my experience also. When I started my business, my husband told me, I have no money for you, I'll not give any investment, I'm not there to support you. You do, I will not stop you, but I will not support you.
Hmm.
But luckily, my father supported, so I could actually gather some courage to start it. But yes, these difficulties do come in front of every woman, especially women, because we women are being criticized most.
But I believe you learn from the criticism. It just makes you stronger by the minute.
Right, right, right. I heard someone saying the best teachers you have in your life are your enemies. If you
True, are
don't
your
have
critics
them,
right?
yeah, you're not motivated to work.
True, very true.
And by this, I remember three people in my life who keep motivating me to work more and more. So now they will,
They are
if they watch this podcast, they will understand. So,
right.
so that's good. So, tell me more. I mean, this is one. As far as I know, you are into some other business also, which I have observed on Facebook.
Right.
Yes, what is that? What is that campaign? I would call it campaign because I've seen you adding value to the people.
This is actually a women community what I run. I'm
Okay,
sorry for the light. It's just fluctuating a lot today.
that's fine. You are looking absolutely beautiful.
Thank you very much. I have faced a lot of ups and downs when I started my business. Getting people to accept what I do, getting people to accept me in terms how I should be putting myself forward to people, or what competition should I face positively, what negatively, everything. So I feel when these new women come up with working in a completely different field, or even if it is a common field, they should have some support who can understand them and do what they want to do. And my main motto is just promoting these women.
That's very, very deep. I've been just 2 days back, I was in conversation with someone who's going to do sales for us. So he asked me, tell me one thing, ma'am. Why have you written on your website, are you a women entrepreneur struggling to grow your business? I said, are you asking about grow your business or are you asking about are you a women
Women.
entrepreneur? So he said, women entrepreneur. I said, see, I'm a woman. I know the exact challenges what women face. The one you have talked about, that you had no support, so you wanted to support women who are facing the similar challenge. This is what I
Right.
told him. See, it's not about earning money. It's about what we have gained from our life story and what we can contribute to others. One biggest thing which we face while we are working, especially क्योंकि business में there is no time. Morning client can call, evening also client can come down, है ना?
Mm.
And then we have family, kids, we have in-laws, so many things to take care. What about your health? हेल्थ कैसे मेंटेन करते हो? हेल्थ सफ़र नहीं होती है?
होती है, बहुत होती है. But again, I can say I have a very supportive husband and a very supportive daughter. So I fail at times, but my pillars are standing with me. So I really go through the hardships.
देखो, लाइफ इज़ नॉट परफेक्ट. ऐसा
Life
नहीं है
is
कि
not.
5:30 उठ के वी आर डूइंग योगा, वी आर, ऑफ कोर्स इफ वी डू इट इट इज़ गुड ओनली, बट इफ यू आर नॉट
Right.
एबल टू डू इट गिल्ट मोड में ना जाए, कॉन्फिडेंस रखें, आगे बढ़े. हैप्पीनेस इज
Uh,
व्हाट मैटर्स.
Happiness is the key to every success. You are happy. If you are happy, you will take things positively, whatever is happening in your life. And if you take things positively, the output what you're going to get, even if it is small, you are satisfied.
That's
And
true.
that satisfaction will lead to big results.
दैट्स ट्रू, दैट्स ट्रू। सो आपके हैप्पीनेस के 3 मंत्रस, मान लो आप किसी दिन सैड हो, क्या करते हो आप ऐसा कि मूड एकदम चिल हो जाए एंड यू जस्ट वेरी चेयरफुल पर्सन अगेन?
एसी चालू किया, बेड पे बैठा और अपना बुक पे ऐसी डिजाइन निकाल दी जो अभी तक मैंने कभी निकाली नहीं थी.
वाओ! सो
I
लव व्हाट
mean,
यू डू।
let's talk about myself. If you see what I'm wearing, nobody can tell me this is jute.
ओके, ओह आई कैन नॉट मेक इट आउट, ये जूट से बना है?
हाँ जी, ये जूट से बना हुआ है. और जो पाइप्स इसमें आप देख रहे हो,
हाँ,
these
हाँ।
are the embroidery pipes what we use to get embroidery done.
ओह देन ये काफ़ी लाइट वेट भी होगा और स्किन फ्रेंडली भी होगा, राइट?
Lightweight, skin friendly, light on your pocket, everything. It's a perfect blend. And you can wear this on a Indian, you can wear this on a Western, you can wear it as a
हाँ।
fusion, anything and everything.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट द सीजन? अगर मान लो जैसे बारिश आ जाती है, सो देन आल्सो इट वर्क्स फाइन?
It works fine because if you see the jute over here,
हाँ, हाँ।
it's polished. It is not the raw jute what is used in borees.
ओके, हाँ,
It's
एंड
polished a
देन
little bit
it gives that
so
glow
that it
also,
is
that look also of the
right,
jewelry.
right.
That is so good. You know what? Personally, I face this problem. मैं ज्वेलरी पहनती हूँ, I get rashes. That is why I don't wear. So
So
this is
this is
the
not jewelry ka material. This is only a simple form of cloth.
that's so nice. So अभी मैंने लेटेस्ट पर्ल्स डिस्कवर किए कि जो मुझे मेरी बॉडी को सूट करते हैं. So I was
मैं
wearing
आपको एक
pearls,
चीज दिखाती हूँ.
pure pearls. But jute is
In
another
fact,
option.
this is just some yesterday. That is why this is jute and pearls.
Wow, nice. So amazing. I mean, this is called innovation. When we talk about production department in a business, अगर हम बहुत सारी women सोचती हैं घर से business कर रहे हैं, छोटा सा काम है,
हाँ.
why to make so department? No, but I can clearly see you have some R&D behind this. You have your own
Yes.
production design, and then probably you would be looking after accounts also.
Yes.
Right, in a sense. So
Yeah.
I was guiding someone on creating these systems in business. That one thing, you should have accounts, proper tally,
Yeah.
how much sales you have generated, what all you have spent on business. So you have your profit and loss account in a way.
Exactly.
दूसरा, आई वाज टेलिंग कि यू हैव योर सिस्टम्स क्लियर, प्रोडक्शन कैसे हो रहा है, एंड देन हाउ यू आर
Yeah.
टेकिंग अप अदर
You have to take
ऑपरेशंस.
care of all that because
यस।
even if you produce something different, like the pearl necklace, what I showed you, pearl and jute. I started making this say around February 2025.
ओके।
But the number of pieces what I have sold in that, if I don't keep a track of my production cost and my accounts, I will lose the fact how many pieces I've sold.
राइट, एंड
Because when
नॉट
you
ओनली
get the raw
दैट,
material,
हाँ, रॉ मटेरियल ऑल्सो, राइट।
when you get the raw material, you get it in bulk. You don't get it, it's for one piece or it is for 10 pieces or it is what. My forte is recreation of your damaged and old products.
Oh, can we do that also? I mean, I am
Yes.
actually getting surprises.
I'll share a story with you. I have a friend of mine who works in resin,
ओके।
and she got a bulk order, and suddenly she damaged the pieces what she was making for the bulk order. And she had a lot of small resin pieces with her, which were like किसी में side निकला हुआ था, किसी में crack बीच में था. There were n number of faults in that. I was like, ऐसे just give me two, three pieces. Let me see what I can do out of it. And I actually made it into a jute necklace.
Wow.
After that, I went and I bought all the pieces from her. Okay, I will recreate it. Don't worry.
So kind of you have used the scrap industry for your raw materials also.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. There are many, many options like this. What I have tried and tested. Like jute, if I tell you today, jute is such a basic material, basic Indian material,
Right, and we have so many pieces which we just throw away in dustbins.
which we just throw away. I have these bodies coming in, okay, cut it into small pieces and I'll do something out of it. What I will do that minute, I don't know. But
But
when
there
I
will
have my
be,
pieces in front of me, I know what I'll do something.
there will be something coming out of that for sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's called true creativity. I mean, I am actually impressed. So not only this, I would say your pieces are sustainable also, eco-friendly
Yes.
also, because you are
Yes.
saving lot of waste going into environment, and you're
Yeah.
turning them into pieces.
Unique pieces which you will not even find it in the local market.
I have to get something from you. Now I
You
am
have to come and
inspired
visit
to
me.
wear jewelry.
Thank you. That's nice.
So,
In fact, right now, as we are talking, I have my 10th anniversary celebration going on.
oh, nice. So, how many
So
years you have been in this business?
10th year.
Wow, so you have completed a decade. So, it is generally said that when we complete a decade, that means our business is now an adult and it has started growing.
Yes, it is now adult and it started growing. So
So,
if I actually show you around me also, I have a lot of display around here because I have called many people to just come and join me and have a look at my pieces.
nice. So, why don't you conduct a live of those pieces? I mean, we would love to see with the people who are not staying in Noida. We would love to see.
Yes, you've given me an
So,
idea.
this
Yes, I
reminds
can
me
do that.
for viewers who are joining in from Noida, please do visit her place. Grab your piece. These pieces are very, very unique, and just stick to her. She will take you with her
Thank you
thoughts.
very much.
And
Thank you very
for
much.
people who are joining from Gurgaon, just like me or any other city, let's watch her online. I think Tapasya, for us, you will conduct this exhibition online also.
Definitely. In fact, when you've told me that, now if I don't have someone coming over in another 1 hour or so, I will definitely go live.
Definitely, we are going to watch you live, and I am so inspired now. I think jewelry pieces can look good on me as well, so I'll
Of course,
definitely talk to you about that. Or,
definitely. In
uh,
fact, I will say this piece, what I have, I will send it across to you.
oh, thank you, थैंक यू सो मच. सो अभी के लिए आई थिंक हमें थोड़ा एंडिंग क्वेश्चन तक मूव करना पड़ेगा, और जाते जाते तपस्या कुछ टिप्स दे के जाइए जो लोग बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहती हैं, स्पेशली वीमेन हु वांट टू ग्रो. उनको क्या करना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम सोचते बहुत हैं कैसे स्टार्ट करूं, फेल हो गई तो क्या, और अगर कोई बिजनेस कर रही है तो कैसे आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. फ्यू टिप्स.
फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट आई विल से अगर आपको बिजनेस करना है, आप ये टेंशन निकाल दो अपने दिमाग से कि दुनिया क्या कहेगी. दुनिया का काम है कहना. आप अच्छा करोगे तो भी दुनिया कहेगी और आप बुरा करोगे तो भी दुनिया कहेगी. दुनिया की मत सुनो और उस चीज पे ध्यान दो जिसमें आप अच्छे हो. जो आप अगर अपने आप को बचपन से जानते हो तो आपको पता है कि क्या चीज आपको अच्छे से आता है, क्या चीज में आपका कोई मुकाबला नहीं है, या क्या चीज बहुत अलग है. व्हाट इज डिफरेंट इन यू. Focus a business on that because when you do something what you love, you will excel in that definitely. Just listen to your heart. Nothing is small or big.
आई एम गेटिंग गूज बम्स. सो दैट्स सो नाइस, सच अ जेन्युइन टिप, क्योंकि ये हम सोचते हैं दूसरे के लिए, अपनी एक बारी जब आती है वी थिंक कि पैसा कहाँ मिलेगा, स्पेशली वी यू मारवाड़ीज एंड वी बनियास, वी थिंक लाइक दैट, पैसा कहाँ बनेगा, है ना? सो
I am a very what you say scary combination because I'm a Marwadi by birth. I'm married to a UP Banya.
wow, so that's a खतरनाक combination to become a millionaire.
Exactly.
So we can hope something someday we are running a club of millionaires, and you and me, we both are enjoying and chilling in Thailand.
Oh,
Yeah, why not?
definitely.
So, anyways, thank
Definitely. चलो
you.
कब चलना है?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, I am on. So once we have that million in account, our trip is pending to Thailand. So
Done.
बहुत
Done,
मज़ा
done.
आया, बहुत मज़ा आया आपसे बात करके, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। और आई होप व्यूअर्स ने भी इंजॉय किया होगा। सो दिस वाज आवर पॉडकास्ट विद मिस तपस्या गुप्ता, और अब हम वेट करेंगे, लेट्स सी हु इज़ आवर नेक्स्ट गेस्ट। आई नो हु इज़ दैट, आई विल नॉट टेल यू, बट शी इज़ एन अमेजिंग पर्सन। You trust me, you will love watching her as well. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.